Setting up for Nutcracker, we want an imprinted spine with our tailbone on the ground. You're going to engage your T-zone here as you use your inhale to lift one leg to tabletop and then exhale the other. Now reach in front of you. What we're going to do is inhale, engage the T-zone, and then exhale, draw the ribs towards the hips. Inhale, return. Exhale, draw the ribs to the hips. Inhale, return. Now, as you exhale, you're going to be opening up the legs slightly. The arms are going to be reaching through, but we're still maintaining our tailbone on the ground. We're still keeping our T-zone engaged. And we're still tightening through the ribs. You want to avoid your tailbone lifting off the ground. This will actually cause you to push your lower back into the floor and dome the belly out. So you want to maintain that imprinted spine, maintain that tailbone on the ground, keep that T-zone engaged, and move with the breath.